Hello and welcome. Today is May 26th, 2022, and I've pulled a card from the Animal Oracle deck by Colette Baron Reed, and it's card number 17, Crow Spirit, which is co-create with spirit. As you look around you, can you see the sense of magic that pulses through the world? Have you witnessed how every thought can become a thing? How every intention can call the universe into action as the sacred laws shape what you experience? The universe works in perfect order. When you align your thoughts, feelings, and beliefs with spirit, you will want to crow with delight, feeling the excitement and wonder of being in harmony with something much larger than yourself. So Crow Spirit says you are right on target now to see your dreams magically come into the being in the visible world.